What's up, guys? It's Drix. We're Dylan. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Gonna jump right into some Cuisine Royale for y'all. Probably one of the craziest endings I've ever seen. I was pretty pissed, but that's how it goes. That's gaming. Anyhow, like, comment, subscribe if you want. Have an awesome day. See y'all. Alright. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. See, you know, there's already been someone here. That's what aggravates me. It just spawned me in a spot where someone's already been here. More than likely, there's no guns. Alright, let's head down this house, I guess. Can't find someone for someone murks us. Yep, there's shots fired. We're just gonna head on. Don't pay me no attention, people. Get a gun. Guns, so I can join this fight. Leg armor. Bag of regeneration. Still no freaking gun. Good God. Come on, game. Just any kind of gun. Dang it. Where's this guy at? You're just gonna leave. Look at this fort over here. What a spawn. Haven't found a single freaking gun yet. Come on, open. God almighty. Gun. Need a gun. Shit. Damn. Well, this house has probably got people over there. Dang it, man. I cannot find a gun for nothing right now. Storm's coming in. Not going to be able to make it up to that spot, I don't think. Well, you know what? Something up here is within the circle. Looks like there's something up here. I hope it's a house. Or just woods. Okay, here we got something. That's awesome. That led to nothing. Oh, where's the door in this place? Here we go. Okay, that goes to where I just was. Here we go. Alright, don't look like anyone's been here. Okay, we need... Sweet. Alright. Here we go. There's something. Alright. not bad. Alright, we gotta hightail it. Sweet. Come on, we gotta go. Alright. Head on in. 16 alive, I haven't seen anyone yet. Still a pretty big circle. What pisses me off in this game is the freaking pans. You can tell me how many times I've been one shot killed by a pan. Come on. Hear a car. Yeah, someone's rolling in here. Shot coming from back here. Shots fired over this way, you know where we're gonna go. Go investigate. Okay. Alright, we got shots back here. Should be a back way out. Nah, dang it. I don't want to have to come out this front door. Screw it. Straight ahead. How far are we away? Not too far. Seven alive. I'm worried about snipers now, big time. Keep on firing over there, buddy. Yep, there's a car. Shoot. Very exposed. Oh, I see you over there. I see you over there. Where's he going? Alright, we're just gonna chill. Man, I cannot believe he didn't have a second gun. You've got to be kidding me. Ah, the storm's coming in. 5 alive. Not a lot. I'm worried about snipers big time. One thing I do not have is a ranged weapon of any kind. Just gonna stick with the bushes. Shots fired ahead. Snap. See, they're gonna have to come in. I'm just gonna keep along this tree line. We can clutch this, just gotta play smart. Alright, yeah, so he's gotta be running down from there right now. And, let's see here. So does he. Ooh, shots fired. Yeah, I'm gonna move on to the house. If there's no one inside that's shooting me from upstairs or anything. I got a bad feeling though. Just gotta get in the house. Yep, definitely someone in here, I bet you. I'm even gonna doubt it. God almighty. Scared to go anywhere. Okay. Four left. I'll sit about right here, just play it safe. Sweet, we got the circle. Yes! Alright, let's play this smart. Just gonna hang out where we're at. 3 left. Oh boy. When you get nervous. I just want to stay over here where they can't see me when they first come in. We're getting lucky. We got the circle again. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. And there it goes, guys. I have no idea how I lost that. So what happened was, he come around the corner. I turned around, started shooting him, and I accidentally switched to my knife. I did kill him, but he killed me right before I killed him. Do not know how that's possible, but it gave him the game. I mean, I think it's bullshit, but that's how it goes. Anyhow, guys, thanks for whoever stuck around to watch. Have an awesome day.